how to make a Roblox account. Now this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to actually do this. Now if this video was helpful, then please do let me know in the comments. And yeah, let's get started right away. Now the first thing that I did is simply search for Roblox. Then you'll get to the main page. Now over here you can already immediately start signing up. Now let's say you already have an account, you can also click on login. You can do that for later when you have created your account after this video. Now here you have to enter your birthday first. So select your birthday and then your year that you have been born. Then here it says username. Now also keep in mind that don't use your real name. So that's obviously very important so that others cannot find you in real life or hack you or do whatever. Now simply enter a username. Now keep in mind that if this line turns green, then that means your username is correct. If it is turned red, then that means that your username is already taken and you have to choose a different one. Now then here you have to create a password, so use at least 8 characters. Once again, once it's green, it is fine. Here you can choose a gender. This is actually optional as you can see, but I'll just go for a male and then click on sign up. Now I have created my account and I can just use it however I would like to. I can log in everywhere I want with my username. But let's say you also want to protect your account a bit better. Then here at the top it says finish account setup. So without a contact method, you may lose access to the game, progress, items, and Robux if your account is lost. So here you can either add an email or phone number, or actually both later on. But first you can click on email, and that's what I'm going to do real quick. So I'm going to add my email, then simply click on continue. And then please click the link in the confirmation email we have sent to your email address. This is basically how it will look like. You simply want to click on verify email. And then it says thank you, and then you also get a free item, which is pretty funny. And then you can go back and I'll just refresh the page real quick. And then here it still says add phone number, so I can do that as well. When I click on there, I'm just going to skip this though. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.